Welcome to my shed. As you can see, it's full of Land Rover. Well, not a full Land Rover, some Land Rover. A project I started quite a few years ago. This belongs, so readers of LRM will know that this belongs to a 1985-90, had a 300 TDI conversion, decided to change the chassis. But what happens when you've got more than one project on the go? You need more space. Okay, so project number 2 is a Penman trailer, direct from the army. This is my camping trailer for our 2-day show in May at Malvern. Problem being, this is late February and I haven't made a start. With project number 2 on the go and no covered space, we have a problem, but there is a solution. Fortunately, our friends at Machine Mart have supplied a 4.5 metre by 3 metre Clarke Instant Garage. This is the perfect size for our rolling chassis, and whilst the rolling chassis belongs in the Instant Garage, work will commence inside the actual garage and hopefully we'll be ready for May. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this garage together and show you how it's done.
So just starting out by moving the 90s rolling chassis out of the garage, and then we're going to push the Penman trailer into Steve's garage where we're going to assemble the temporary one. Having a quick skim over the instructions, it's all quite straightforward. And first thing we're going to do is lay out all the parts for the garage, starting with the connecting pieces and the bars for the roof. Once they're all laid out, we can connect them all together to form the roof of the temporary garage. Once those are in place, onto the uprights, do one end first, then the other, before fitting the 4 legs in the centre. Just having a measure up here. The instructions include measurements to make sure the garage goes up square. So keep on top of those, just putting in the anchor points for all the feet. Remeasuring, and then the front of the garage can go on. This has got zips for entry. And then onto the back of the garage, which doesn't have zips, before going on to fitting the main sheet over the top, which is far easier with 2 people. So get that roughly in place, and then we can go inside. You fit the brace bars along the bottom, tether the main cover down, and then you've got ratchet straps at either end to tension it. And then the rolling chassis can be pushed into the temporary garage, and Steve's got all that space left in his actual garage to crack on with his trailer tent project.
And there we have it, a Defender rolling chassis in the new temporary garage. This garage, as I've said before, is 4.5 metres long, so if you had a longer Land Rover than a 90, you'd probably want the next size up. But this is absolutely ideal for walking up both sides of the vehicle and just cracking on. But first things first, I must get on with the camping trailer. But for any more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. There will be many more to come.